Right, there we go.
Right, okay. So they can be transferred. And then hide. Get them done. Do one.
I feel safer already.
Yeah. Well, I mean, to be honest, I mean, we've both been a bit thick as shit, really, because you really should have been protected, shouldn't you?
Yeah.
I-
Well, mind you got stung and it didn't used to make any difference, did it?
No, yeah. I mean, but I suppose I wouldn't want to stand. But I suppose I didn't really think too much about it. You kind of just carry on, didn't you?
Yeah, I didn't mind.
Right. I've got Edmonds block. Right, so far, I'll get some frames out.
You got, yeah, yeah. You'll need a lot of new frames for this one, won't you?
Yeah, I'll be. So they're already not filling up the supers with honey, but some 3 of the hives are already. I put a super on, like I have them to. Put a super on, there's bees completely in them. So I'll give them another super underneath,
Oh,
give them more space. That's what you're trying to do. You keep on giving them more space, so they think, oh God, we better fill this up first before we bugger off. Do me, I'll do with it.
they don't look very full.
I think half a beekeeping job is just lifting things in and out of the car and
Get stuck.
right, okay, yeah. A bit full, aren't they?
Yeah. I always think that's worse when you put smoke on.
Do you?
You seem to get more angry. Yeah. I think we should try one of no smoke.
This is a new frame I put in, foundation frame in 2 weeks ago.
Yeah, when we swapped them into this
So
pod.
they're drawing it out, look.
Yeah.
Look at that. What's that side down? Look at that space you've got. Loads of space.
And they're nice calm bees, aren't
Yeah, they were buckfast. So it's good. It's a bit there. Yeah, you can see there.
they? Good pattern.
Yeah. That's okay. So I'll get quick, chill that. going to be quite nice the next couple of weeks, isn't
I don't know.
it? Yeah. Quite time though, quite a few frost, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, it's cold the other
There
day.
she is.
Where? Oh, yeah.
Quite dark.
That's up in here.
Quite nice and plump.
Yeah.
It's good. What's that? Let's get her in there. Young buckfast are gentler, aren't they?
No, definitely.
There as well. I've got some food and pollen frames.
Oh, okay.
That just help them to feel that bit better. Took them extra
Yeah.
food frames out,
Yeah, oh, yeah.
just so you can use.
Save them a lot of time, don't it?
Yeah, they do. I mean, it's a good resource.
There's an extra food.
Go outside.
And you always put the food on the outside?
Yeah, but that's just completely food frame. In here is pollen,
How do you know?
yellow stuff there.
Oh, yeah, they ain't capped it yet.
There, so all pollen on there, see it all?
Yeah.
So I'm going to put that right next to the brood and they'll feed that to the larvae. So just give them a head start. So they ain't got to draw them frames out. I mean, imagine how much time that's saving. Food one. Right, okay.
So could you get another frame in there?
I could, but I put a dummy board in this one.
Yeah.
I do have 12 frames in Millstone.
Well, there's no point because it's so small. It's small.
Yeah, and when I do use the 12 frames, you just got to be careful you pull the first one out. You don't
Yes.
keep rolling
Mm.
bees. So even before you start, they can get a bit aggressive.
There's a lot inside the food bit.
Yeah, I'm not gonna.
And there's no sense in feeding them anymore then?
No, you've got to give them one of them brood food frames will last them a week.
Oh, right.
Weather's turning nice anyway.
Yeah.
They'll be bringing plenty in. But they just give me a chance to use them frames up rather than trying to build everything out. So off this one, for example, you get a nice summer crop.
Yeah.
You give them a head start with the thing as well. Food frame, so it's winter really. You may get it dead out on a hive, but you can reuse the frames, can't you? Which is always good.
What are they doing when they land on you?
You what?
What are they doing when they land on you? Checking you out.
Just checking it out. Right. So they're happy. Thinking, excellent. We're in a big hive now.
Yeah, it's a bit windy today. That's the last of the nukes in the hive, isn't it?
Yep. So I'm pleased about that because it's just run out of space, obviously.
Yeah. Yeah, you cannot stop the video.
Get these out of the way.
With the gloves on.